What's going on, guys? It's Keith here at Pristine Auto Clean today. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee in for a full interior and exterior detail. We're primarily going to focus on the outside of this one today. We're going to start off, we're going to give it a full cannon. That'll remove all the loose soil, that's anything that's deposited on the car. We'll give it a thorough rinse, prep the engine bay, degrease all the jams, fuel door and whatnot. Then we'll move on to the tires, wheel wells. Then we will decontaminate the paint and iron remover, which dissolves all iron deposits. We will then follow up with the clay bar, which will then remove any other further bonding contaminants to the surface. And then we'll wash it, dry it, and then we'll start on the paint correction. Alright, so we're going to be using here today is the SGS 28 from MTM Hydro. By far the best trigger you could ever buy. Built-in swivel, which is beautiful, no kinks in your hoses. Short grip, easy to access, and then we're going to be comboing that with the PF22 foam cannon by MTM as well. By far the best foam cannon on the market, unmatched studs, unmatched clingability. The best of the best, can be purchased from detaildivision.com. So right now we're spraying product King Tiger. It's an iron fallout remover. Iron fallout is commonly from brand new car transport on rail truck, and also your brake pads, little particles that bond to the paint and then turn rusty because they are iron. And this product dissolves them. That way you do not pick them up with your buffing pads, and it just makes your whole life a lot easier. Now that our chemical decontamination process is done with, we move on to the clay bar, and we do this after we wash it, which we still have not done yet. We will wash it, and as we wash, we will go around with spray wax. This acts as a clay lubricant, that way you do not mar the surface that bad. Anytime you clay, I highly recommend polishing or compounding after, because you do end up leaving micro mars. So we're at the quarter panel right now. We've clayed half the hood. We've worked our way here. We have not touched the roof yet. We're done with our iron removal. As you can see, there's a lot less contaminants on it. Now we're just going over with the medium grade clay bar. And this is just taking off any contaminants that are bonded that we could not strip chemically. And as you can hear, feel, it's a very smooth surface, and this is essential when you start any type of paint correction. So now that we have the vehicle fully decontaminated, we're ready to start our paint correction process. We are pretty much going to be doing a gloss enhancement on this. It's going to be a cycled one-step compounding with an Oberk microfiber 5-inch pad paired with the Boss G21 with the 5-inch backing plate. We'll be using Griot's Correcting Cream, which is my go-to for a one-step correction. Great gloss. Also, we'll be using Rag Company 365 GSM towels. With a panel wipe to strip all residue of polishing oils from the surface prior to the 1-year ceramic coating that we will be applying, which is Total Auto Solutions Y-Wax. After our decontamination process, we're left with the vehicle's paint condition, which is riddled with car wash swirls. We'll mask off all the black. Here we're going to prime the pad, make sure we saturate all the microfiber fibers. That way we get the maximum effectiveness out of our pad and our compound. You know, spread it around, go to town. Now that we're done polishing, we will go to our next step, which is panel wiping, which this is G-Technique panel wipe, strips all the surface oils left from the polishing and allows us to bond our coating right to the substrate. Now that the vehicle has been panel wiped, we now can start the ceramic application process. Start off, you always want to prime your pad. I usually do, you know, an X across the middle or something. But you want to make sure you can have even distribution of the ceramic. All right. trim with CarPro Pearl at a 1:1 dilution ratio, and everything shine again. And here we have the Jeep all wrapped up. As you can see, it looks much better. The white is white once again. No more iron deposits. One-step correction. Y-Wax 1-year ceramic coating. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.